Hi guys, Steph here. Right, so what we've got for you today, we're going to call this November's Pen Haul. But basically, this is, I think it's two trips that I did recently. They're getting rather difficult to find, to be quite honest with you. I'm out there looking, but it's getting harder and harder. But either way, let's show you what we found. Don't forget, there's some good, bad, and there's some ugly for spares, etc. Also, don't forget, all these will be available. If there's anything of interest, like everybody else, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. So without further ado, let's have a look what we found. So we've got this one, comes in a jeweler's box, and yeah, what it is, it's a pencil. It's actually in lovely condition. But what is it? It says made in England on it, but maybe a platinum or platinum. It's got the instructions there, but yeah, a lovely pencil. There we go. We've got a Parker. There we go. What are these? It's a pencil and ballpoint. Is it the insignia? There you go. You can see it's got the jewels at the end in lovely condition. As I say, a ballpoint and a pencil. What we got in here? Another Parker. Right, this is the, well, I always get these confused. Is this the classic or the 180 off top of my head? I'm not sure. Lovely condition. Anybody interested in these? Get in touch. I think we found quite a few ballpoints, to be quite honest with you. What we've got here is the Parker 50 Falcon, or yeah, Parker, let's call it a Parker 50. It's got some initials there. Lovely conditions. Got these lines running up the pen. So Parker 50 or Falcon, whichever. A lot of Parkers by the looks of it. Right, here we go. I think this is the Parker 61 custom there we go, 61, the custom insignia. Comes with a aerometric filler it's actually in lovely condition. You can always tell when these are in good condition because you can actually feel the lines are still pronounced to the touch. So we've got the fountain pen, and it looks like a pencil there. Let's put that to one side. Let's bring on some more here. Not as big as normal, this haul, but there we go. So let's have a look at this one. There we go. Set ball pen and pencil cross. Let's open it up. It says, hey, open. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Nice. Actually, these are actually sterling silver. The only thing wrong with it is on this particular one, is it the pencil or the ballpoint? You can see the top there is just missing. So whether I can actually find a replacement, I'm not sure. But the nice thing about it, as I say, they're actually sterling silver, which is nice indeed. Let's put that to one side. Let's have a look at this back one here. Yeah, nice Conway Stewart. Look at that in this sort of raspberry marble. It's got the correct nib. That'll come very nicely once it's been restored. Is that of interest to anybody? Get in touch. I'll leave that till last. That's quite interesting. So, yet another Parker. And what have we got? Oh, these are all falling apart. Right, just a straightforward Parker 45 Flighter. Okay. Let's have a look at this back one here. Yet again, another Parker. And it looks like another 61, is it? Yeah, Parker 61 in black with a gold cap. So let's put that to one side. Oh, this one's another Parker. Interesting one, this one. Look at that. A Sonnet Lac Deep Blue fountain pen. It's actually quite nice, this one. I quite like this one. The colour's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So a lovely Parker Sonnet. There we go. You've got this sort of the date or the name there, Parker Sonnet. I can't quite see over the camera of the date, but what a gorgeous colour. Now, where are you people out there that collect Parker Sonnets? I've actually got not just this one, I've got a couple of other nice ones available. So if you're looking for a sonnet, get in touch. A Waterman. Ah, yeah, I remember this one. This is a very interesting one. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. A sterling silver. I think this is the Le Mans fountain pen. Okay, 18 karat gold nib on it. So, made in France, because that's where most of the 18 karat nibs come from. So, anybody interested in a lovely Waterman's Le Mans, get in touch. And this little box here, I actually came across this one and I opened it and I thought, that's interesting. Look what it is. It's actually a Mont Blanc nib, and I think at the bottom, does it say 149? Okay, and it's been made into a sort of lapel badge or brooch. Okay, so there, look at that. Rather interesting. I didn't do this for the purist out there that'll be saying, who's ruined that nib? But it's actually been done quite nicely. But yeah, a Mont Blanc nib, 149, I believe. Again, I can't see it over the camera. Can you people see it there? I'm sure you can. So we've got a brooch, and also somebody's made a tie pin. So once again, from a Mont Blanc nib. Okay, so they've made this sort of tie pin. This metal piece here, I think somewhere it does actually say 925, so that's actually silver. Well, yeah, sort of quite interesting in my opinion. I'm sure there's people out there that'd like a nice tie pin or a brooch made from a 149 Mont Blanc nib. Hey, so we find all sorts while we're out there. In fact, when I say all sorts, I also look out for the odd watch. I like sort of picking up watches if I can pick them up at the right price. There you go, look at that, a G-Shock Casio. Okay, we'll put a new battery in that, needs a new battery. So I came across that and I thought, oh, yeah, I quite like that. I also, when I can pick them up at the right price, I have actually a few of these Swatch watches. I quite like these. This one, as you can see, is the Irony, in lovely condition, as you can see there, and in working order. You can see it's ticking away quite happily, and I think, yeah, it's got a leather strap, instructions, etc. So, is anybody out there that collects Swatch watches? And last but not least, Look at this. I came across this. I thought it was very nice indeed. A Accurist 9-carat gold watch. As you can see, in working order. Also ticking away quite nicely. There you go. As I say, marked on the inside of the case 9-carat, and I actually took it to a watch person that I know locally, and he confirmed that it's in full work. Well, as you can see, it's in full working order, and he confirmed that it is 9-carat gold, because apart from that, there's no markings on the outside. So I took it to him just to double check, and he says, yep, everything's fine, 9-carat, and it's got a lovely movement as well inside the watch. So there we have it. We also pick up the occasional watch. That's basically it on the boxed items and on the watches. There's only a few loose ones, but what I'll do, just to keep it short, I'll do a separate video on the loose ones for you, so keep watching. Don't forget, anything of interest, down below, get in touch. Don't forget as well, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and these pens. Oops. And these watches that have just fallen off the side. I'll just say bye-bye for now.